Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I'm using my phone on this one because my camera is full of space. And I just got done recording another video and I haven't went home to edit it and delete it off my camera, so I'm gonna be using my phone. Anyways, today I got a, what is this? Yeah, I got a 05 Chevy Cobalt 2.2. Same motor, that same motor that's in the Malibus. And I'm gonna be showing y'all how to change the AC compressor on it. So AC compressor's down here. We got one screw right there. I think using my phone is a lot better because that freaking big camera that I have does not let me get angles like this. You got the pipe right there, AC line. This one, you got a plug right there. I already took my two plugs off, and unfortunately my belt's already off because on this one the AC compressor locked up and it freaking destroyed the belt. So that's one less thing I gotta do about it. Anyways, other than that, you gotta take the belt off. First thing I'm gonna do is take this one screw off, and then there should be two more. One right there, and then one on the top. Right there, right there. So since I can't hold the camera and do this, I'm going to put the camera down. And first thing I'm probably gonna do is take this line off. These should be, oh, this feels like a 13. The lines are 13, so I'm gonna take my 13s off first. Let me see if I can put the camera up somewhere where you guys can see. Probably not, but that's the screw, 13 right there. Take that screw off first. All right, so I got that out. I don't know why the AC stuff is black, but it's not green, it's black. Anyways, that line's off. Next thing I'm gonna do is take off my screws, my 313s right there. I don't know why I don't have a good spot for you guys at today. There's really no space when I do stuff on the bottom of cars. I got my 3 screws out. They're right over there. And I think this thing should just come right on out now, honestly. Yeah. How it's to come out is the problem, because I'm not trying to take that starter out. I think I do gotta take the starter out. I think I do. Nope, I don't. I got it. Voila. Look at that pulley. That thing won't turn for shiz. Got my new compressor right here, guys. Like I told you on my other compressor video, if your compressor doesn't tell you that it comes with the actual Pad 46 oil that's supposed to be in here, always dump it out and replace it with actual Pad 46. But in my case, I don't need to do that because this one clearly says that it comes with 5 ounces of Pad 46, which is what I'm going to put in here anyway. So since I already have some in this one, I can save mine and I can actually bolt this right up. And look at this pulley. This pulley actually spins. So let's go ahead and put this thing back up in here. It's gonna go right in there like I got it out. Turn it a little bit and it slides right up back in there. All right, so I'm gonna put my screws back in. I can't hold this for you guys to see, so I'm gonna put my screws back in, then I'm gonna see you guys after I finish putting it all back together. All right, y'all, so I got it back in there. My bolts are tight. There's the other one. Whatever. Last one down here. My hose is back on, connected. Everything is in there. Everything is ready to go. The only thing I'm waiting for now is my belt. So whenever my belt gets here, if it gets here today, because they closed at 5, probably not. So whenever I get my belt, I will finish this video and then edit it, and you guys will be able to see it. I don't know if I should end it right here or not. So I'm probably not. I'm gonna wait until I get my belt. Once I get my belt, put it on there, we get the thing filled up. See how cold I get it, then we'll end it. Back to part 2 of this video. Unfortunately, yesterday was too late to get my belt, so I got it today. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on right now to end this video. Well, to get close to ending this video. Now, how am I gonna do this? I think maybe from the top would be a better idea, but I think the bottom's a better idea. What you guys think, top or bottom? Yeah, bottom's a way better idea. because that huge motor mount is at the top. Bottom's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take the wheel off. All right, so to put the belt on, you're gonna have to remove this little cover right here and take the tire. I'm not taking the tire off, I'm just turning the tire. So let me remove this cover real quick because I don't have my camera. I'm still using my phone because I left my camera here last night, so I wasn't able to take my other videos off my camera. I actually might be able to do it, not even taking this off. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. See you guys when I get done. All right, y'all, so got the belt on. As you can see, I did not take the cover off. I did not take the tire off, or none of that. Now what I'm gonna do is get this crap out of the way because it's in my way. I'm gonna let the car down, fill it up with Freon, and then we're gonna go from there and see how things work. And we get this stuff out of the way. Now I'm gonna let this thing down. Move my levers out of the way. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do, we have to evac the system. Now evac in the system, what it really does is sucks the lines dry, takes all the air out of the system, and it also supposed to get majority of the moisture that's in the lines out if there's any in there. Anytime you do a job like this, anytime you take off any line, anytime you take off anything to the AC system, where the heck are my freaking AC lines at? They must be on this side. Where the heck did they go? I don't know. But anyways, like I was saying, whenever you do a job like this, if you have to take off any lines, any parts to the AC system, if you have to open up any line to the AC system, you have to evac it to get the air out. Otherwise, you'll never get a proper reading on how much Freon is really in there because you're gonna have like right here. Like right here, see where it's at? It's gonna be right there. So when you put Freon in it, your Freon is supposed to be, or your gauge is supposed to be around 45, maybe 50, and the high side should be for domestic cars around 225 to 250. But if you don't do that, then you'll have, and your gauges won't read right pretty much. Make a long story short. And you want your gauges to read right so that you know exactly how much you're putting in there, so you don't overfill it, don't underfill it, and you don't have complications thinking that there's something else wrong with the system just because your gauges aren't reading right because you did not evac it. Now, I know a lot of people who don't do this, which are shade trees, but I'm not a shade tree, so I'm gonna do what I know is best to do. So let me hook up these lines and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, so I got my lines connected. A lot of you guys might be asking why am I using two of these, because unfortunately I broke I didn't break it, but I was doing another AC job and my hot side wire got caught in the belt and it shredded it, so I got to use two. But anyways, everything's connected. I got my little middle wire, my yellow wire is connected to my AVAC machine. All I'm gonna do is connect my air line, and then I'll open my base side. And look how I immediately evac everything out of there, just that quick. So evac it all the way down to about 30. Maybe not, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. All right, so I'm gonna let this evac for about 5 or 10 minutes, make sure I get everything out. And then I'll see you guys when it's ready to put Freon in. All right, so there we go, still at -20, under 0. All I'm gonna do, I'm tripping. I gotta put all this stuff back. I forgot this car will not run without this stuff. So let me put this stuff back first, and then I'm gonna recharge it. All right, y'all, so it's been about 10-15 minutes, and it's tacky enough to where it doesn't come off, so, and my stuff is still staying, it hasn't went down. So we have no leaks. Let me start this baby up. Keys right here. Oh, I forgot it's not going to start because I just cleaned the throttle body out for her too. Get a all that crap out the tailpipe. Shoot out the tailpipe right now. It smells like a lawnmower. It was definitely dirty in there. There we go. I'll put all that crap down. Alright, so back to what we came here to do. So when you get in, turn the AC on full blast. Make sure the button's on, all the way on cold. And I'm gonna get out. Come back around. Right now my compressor's not even coming on because there's not enough input. So let me put you guys down so you guys can see me. Right here. My phone's falling. Here. Alright, so right now my compressor is not engaging. I need to check my fuses. Fuse might have blown in and they locked the compressor up. So let's check the fuses. Back. Cut up by now, it probably wasn't even that relay in the first place. My dumb ass put the clip on here and didn't screw it in. So we definitely wasn't gonna get no reading. But it's weird though because this is going on or whatever. Anyways, right now my reading is at 435 and what is that? 150, 160. I'm gonna go get my thermometer real quick so we can check to see. So you guys, that goes to show right there that nobody's perfect. Even good mechanics still make retarded little mistakes like that. How you put that on here and don't screw it in? Anyways, what I do is put this inside of here. My thermometer in there. And put some more Freon because we definitely don't have enough Freon in there. So we definitely got some pressure in there. So I'm at 40 and about 250 right now. It should be perfect. Yep, and we're ice. So we're in this ice box. It is ice cold in here. My temperature is reading 50 degrees, which is perfect because normally cars say about 60. So, guys, there you go. That's how you do this job. It's really not nothing hard at all. Just make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that I made. Sorry, got the hiccups. Make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that I made, and when you put your AC lines on, make sure that you screw it in. I don't know how the heck I did that. That's my first time ever doing some weird crap like that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. That's how you do a AC compressor the right way on a 05 Chevy Cobalt 2.2. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Boy.